Okay, so let's open it up and let's start filling in the inside. We're going to start in this top right hand spot. Okay, so in order to start working on probability, the first thing you have to do is count the pictures and use the pictures to find the possible combinations. Find all of the possible combinations. And then once you find all of the combinations, you're going to make a chart with all of those possibilities. So here comes the fun part. Are you ready? We're going to make our first chart. So when I look at this, Johnny, I see that we have two different items of clothing. We have shirts and we have pants. Okay? So we're talking about shirts and pants. And when I look over here to the right, I see that a circle represents shirts and a square represents pants. That makes sense so far? Okay, so how many colors of shirts do I have?
3 colors.
We have 3 colors. And how many colors of pants do we have?
2 colors.
2 colors. So let's see if we can make all of our possible combinations. So the first thing we're going to start with is yellow. So I want you guys to pick up your yellow. Pick up your yellow color. So let's see. If I have a yellow shirt and I know that I have 2 pairs of pants, then I could wear a yellow shirt with black pants, and I could wear a yellow shirt with another set of pants. So I have 2 yellow shirts that I could wear. Or I could wear that same yellow shirt with 2 different combinations. So let's do blue next. Do blue next. How many different combinations could I have with blue?
2.
2, very good. So let's color in 2 blues. Okay. And our next color is red. So Johnny, how many options for red shirts do we have?
1.
Just one?
1.
1 red shirt?
2.
Oh yeah, 2. Good job. So we have all of our options for our shirts. So next let's do our pants. We're going to start with a black. If you don't have a black color, just use your pencil. Okay? So how many black pants options do I have? Okay? So I could wear black pants with how many colored shirts?
3.
3. So I'm going to color in black 3 times on my pants. All right, and brown. How many options for brown do I have?
3.
3. So when I look at my wardrobe options, let's say these are Ty's clothes, and this is what Ty looks at when he gets in his closet. He knows that he has a yellow shirt that he can wear with black or brown pants. He has a blue shirt that he can wear with black or brown pants. And he has a red shirt that he can wear with black or brown pants. Okay? So these are all of his options for what he's going to wear. So let's move over to our next section. So when we talk about this, we need to remember that each possible result of a situation is called an outcome. So if you hear Miss Adams say, what is the outcome? It means, what are we getting? What are our odds? What is our possibility? Okay? What is our outcome? So I want you to take your yellow, and we're going to look at this paragraph and we're going to talk about it. So you can find the total number of possible outcomes by multiplying. So you can find the total number of outcomes, the total number of possibilities by multiplying. So make sure you get that highlighted. Okay? So let's look at our example. It says multiply, so let's underline that and multiply because it's telling us what to do. The number of shirts by the number of pants. Bless you. All right, so how many shirts do we have? We're not counting all the possibilities. We just need to know how many total shirts we have.
3.
We have a total of 3 shirts. So let's do 3. And what is our total number of pants?
2.
We have 2 different pants.
Wait, do we count them?
We do. It tells us to multiply. So what is 3 times 2?
6.
6. So that means we have a total of 6 options to wear. So when we look at our picture over here, we have 1 outfit, 2 outfits, 3 outfits, 4, 5, and 6 outfits. Those are all the different options for what we could wear. Okay? So when we're talking about, again, we're going to do the same definition. Probability it is the likelihood that something will happen. It is the odds, it is the chance that something will happen. And when we do that, we will end up making a fraction whenever we are figuring out what our odds are. So to make a fraction, you put the number of favorable outcomes as the numerator and the number of total outcomes, total, let's underline that word. Oh, I can't even see that. Number of total outcomes as the, what did I tell you? We'll go back. As the denominator. Okay? So let's look at our circles over here and let's get these colored. I don't care where you color them, I just care that you get the correct number, okay? So let's start with yellow. I need you to color 4 circles yellow. How many circles are you going to color yellow?
4.
Very good. Okay. Next we're going to do red. So pick up your red. And we are going to color 2 circles red. How many circles are we coloring red?
2.
Perfect. Again, it doesn't matter where you color them as long as you color the right amount. Okay, we're going to pick up our blue. And I need you to color 2 circles blue. And then here's the tricky part where you have to listen. You're going to color 2 circles blue, and then you're going to draw 1 blue circle. Draw 1 blue circle.
Wait, do we color it in too?
Yes. Color it in. So you should have one circle left. I want you to color that green. And I want you to draw one green circle. So when we're looking at these, we have a question down here at the bottom that says, what are the chances? And chances, ooh, we put that in our book. Chances also means probability of picking a blue circle from the pile. What are our chances of getting a blue? So the first step that we have to do is we have to know our total. So how many total circles do we have? I want you to count those silently, and when you have an answer, touch your nose. Okay. What total did you get, Johnny?
11.
11, very good. So our total is 11. Now, on our notes right here, it says the total outcomes are the denominator. Where is the denominator in a fraction? Is it the top or the bottom? In a fraction, is the denominator the top piece, the top number, or the bottom number? The bottom number, very good. So draw you a fraction bar, and at the bottom we're going to put our total, which was 11. Okay? Then we want to put whatever our favorable outcome is. So what are we looking for? This is asking you, what are our odds of picking a blue circle? So we're looking for blue circles. How many blue circles do we have?
3.
We have 3. So at the top, we are going to put 3. Okay? So we're going to take this and we are going to put this on page 31 in our notebooks. Okay? Now, I also, at the bottom of page 31, would like you to write this note, that the numerator is the top of a fraction, the denominator is the bottom of a fraction, and the total is always going to go at the bottom with the denominator. So make sure you get that note. Then, on the other page, on page 30, where we took our other notes, in really big letters, really big, I want you to write that the total goes on the bottom. Total goes on the bottom of the fraction. So you're going to write that really big. I want you to underline it or highlight it so you know what we're talking about when we're talking about the fraction or the total.